In Genesis 8, the story unfolds as Noah witnesses the end of the floodwaters that had engulfed the earth, signaling a fresh start for life on land. As the waters receded, Noah released a dove to find land, and upon its return with an olive branch, it became a powerful symbol of hope and renewal. Upon leaving the ark, Noah and his family were filled with joy, and he immediately built an altar to offer sacrifices to God, thankful for their new beginning. God made a profound covenant with Noah, promising never to flood the earth again, signified by the appearance of a majestic rainbow in the sky. In the newfound world, Noah began to cultivate the land, planting a vineyard that would produce fruit, symbolizing the bounty of life restored. As life continued, Noah and his family cherished their time together, sharing meals and stories, bonding over the trials they had overcome.